traders, welcome back to Simply Forex. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd of January. And as always, guys, we're going to look back at yesterday's trades. We're going to look at today's potential trades, and we're going to look at the important news for today as well. Let's do this. So let's start with yesterday, guys. And the trade that I took is this, is euro against the Aussie dollar, and I'm still in it. Why was we looking to sell this pair? Well, we were in a downtrend. Okay, so structurally we were in a downtrend, tick. We were bouncing off of a, what was once support became resistance, and we got the moving average 20. So tick, yeah, we had resistance, and we were getting candlesticks that told us sellers were in control and we wanted to come lower. All right, guys, so that was the idea, to sell euro Aussie dollar for those reasons. And my higher time frame target was down here, as you can see. If we drop down to the H4 now, we actually got a break. Okay, so this is why I took the trade. I'm still in it. Because as soon as we broke these lows, guys, yeah, H4 structure changed. We was in a H4 uptrend, but then as soon as this broke down with this candle here, we were in a downtrend. But also this candle broke all of these lows. Yeah, so, we like this candle. It didn't represent much value here. So I just waited for a bit of a retrace back to this level, and I entered in here. Okay, my stop is a 6231. So my stop is just up here. So we'll see what happens at this last level here. Okay, we're getting a bit of a reaction so far. And the idea is still to come back down, guys. So that's why I entered. Yeah, break of structure, breakdown of support and resistance level, nice retrace, looking to take it lower, and we're still in this trade. So, when we get this break, we don't know how much price wants to retrace. Does it want to retrace to here? It could do. It's a possibility. Does it want to retrace all the way up to here? It could do. It's a possibility, which is why I put my stop loss up here. Okay, if it hits that, I'm wrong. So yeah, still in euro Aussie dollar, and that's the trade I took yesterday. We was also looking at pound Aussie dollar, and again, this was a bit of a H1 trade we could have taken, because we were looking for a breakdown in H1 structure. And then look at this candle here. Yeah, let me draw that again. I've been drinking this morning. So this candle right here, when it broke these lows, is a nice candle, but really, back down here will be our target. So we couldn't just enter on this candle. We would need a retrace. Maybe you got a retrace to the grey zone, put your stop up here. You would have just about got 1:1. But obviously I didn't take this trade because I was in euro Aussie dollar. And we'll see what happens today with this one as well. The next trade from yesterday was pound New Zealand dollar as well. And this also gives us a setup, but you have to understand, guys, euro Aussie dollar, pound New Zealand dollar, pound Aussie dollar are all, highly correlated. So I only traded one of them. But pound New Zealand dollar, guys, again, we were in a downtrend. Okay, we were seeing, selling candles in here. Yeah, top wicks is also an indication that, we're selling. So this could still potentially be a trade for today, guys, as well. If we drop down to the H4, it was a H4 trade, really. We got this candle. This candle here, tells us that sellers are in control. And it's come back at the top. We're in a bit of a range, really, between here and here. So you could have entered here, put your stop above here, look to take price back down to these lows. Or even this morning, look, we've got a bit of a bearish wick to take price lower. Okay, so yeah, this candle here would have been a good entry candle. And the last trade from yesterday was Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. And I wanted to trade this, but price action made it difficult, guys. But if we drop to the day chart, yeah, we were seeing a bit of a range between here and here. All right, so price come down, yeah, price come back up. you know, and is price breaking down? I'd really like to see a break of these lows, which we haven't quite yet because of this wick. All right, but look at all the selling pressure. Sellers. This wick is sellers. You know, everything's telling me we can still come back down, potentially all the way back down to here. And we're looking at a few yen pairs today. In terms of an entry, you know, as I pointed out on my live stream, guys, I was waiting for a break of this level through here. Yeah, the market showed its hand. It's become an important level. You know, and didn't happen. And then when it did happen, I mean, look at that. You know, I can't start selling here. There really is no value, you know. And also, if you look at the H4 at that point, you know, there's lots of buying wicks here. So it become less appealing as the day went on because of price action. So yeah, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, we didn't get into that for that reason. So those were the trades from yesterday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoyed the recap and enjoy my daily analysis every day, then come join the channel. Yeah, subscribe to the channel right now. Smash the notification button so you receive an alert every time we post a vid. And if everyone could please smash the like button, it really helps support the channel. Shukran, gracias, merci. Right, trades for Wednesday, the 3rd of January then, guys. Before we get started, let me just mention a few things. So if you haven't joined our community of traders, then why not? Yeah, come join it. We've got a free Discord channel full of traders, so come join that. Next, guys, we have the VIP Discord channel as well. You do have to pay for this, but you get access to me throughout the trading day, as in you can ask me questions. I give you my trade ideas as and when they happen. And also, guys, you get access to the Trading Academy, which is just full of tutorials to help improve your trading. So come join that. Also, guys, we've got a mentorship program where I coach you one-on-one. If you drop us an email, we'll send you the details. And also, guys, if you would like to become a Simply Forex YouTube member, then you can. There's loads of cool perks, and we've got supporter and gold membership. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, yeah, trades for Wednesday, the 3rd of January. It's my mum's birthday. It's all about yen. It's all about the yen, baby. Yeah, we're looking at yen strength. Okay, excuse my writing. It's early. Yeah, it's all about yen strength today, guys. All right, so this is what we're looking at. And the first one is Aussie dollar against the Japanese yen. All right, so if we just follow structure on the day chart, yeah, you can see it's always if we don't make higher highs, structure could be changing, and then bang, sure enough, yeah, structure changed and we was in a downtrend. As soon as we broke these lows here, we are now in a downtrend. Okay, and we're getting very bearish. I mean, look at that wick. That is a huge rejection wick. This is all very bearish. And the idea is just to follow this structure, this bearish momentum back down to these lows and this psychological level of 95 dead. All right, so that's the idea. If we drop down to the H4 now, yeah, we've got a couple of levels, guys. All right, so these last lows here for me haven't quite broke because of all of these wicks keep closing back inside. So first of all, guys, what we need to see is a break of these lows, yeah, retest, and then we can start selling back down to this level. Okay, if that doesn't happen, price might want to come back up to the sort of top of this range, if you like, yeah, and then we get a bearish reaction up here, and again we start taking price lower. Okay, so these are the two ideas for selling Aussie dollar, Japanese yen. And guys, it's so important that you do this. Yeah, you need to know what you're going to do with a trade before you do it. Yeah, you don't want to be impulsive. You don't want things to arise that you don't know how to handle or deal with. This is how I'm going to trade it. And if this happens, I will trade it. You know, it's as simple as that, guys. You know, keep it very binary. You know, so there's no surprises for me. Like I say, I want my trading dull and boring like my personality. So, yeah, do the same, guys. You don't want any surprises. Plan your day, plan your trade. All right, so Aussie dollar yen, those are the two options. Another yen pair, euro yen. Okay, let's take a look at this one. Let's start with the day chart. We actually talked about this in the live stream yesterday as well, and there's still a bit more room to go here. But if we look at the day chart, yeah, at this point, we was in an uptrend. Yeah, we were getting higher highs. But now, again, didn't break these highs. Always a red flag. The price could be breaking down, and then bang. Yeah, as soon as we got this candle, yeah, that broke these lows, yeah, we had a structure change to the downside. We were looking for sells. And we've also had just the selling candle, selling candle, selling candle, selling candle. And they're all breaking each other's lows, which is what I like. And there's a bit of room to move into. Okay, back down to this 154.50 psychological level. You know I love a psychological level more than I love Liverpool FC and Mohamed Salah. I love that man. Anyway, H4. Yeah, this is the level we want to trade from, guys. So I want to see price retrace into here. Yeah. Not only is it, you know, a grey zone in terms of resistance, but we also have a moving average 20. So this would be a really nice area to get a bearish reaction, and then we could start selling. All right. So yeah, really like this level, guys. If it starts breaking H4 structure and breaking out of this grey zone, not interested, guys, because H4 structure is quite a big deal. Yeah, I don't want H4 structure to break. So if it breaks above this grey zone, not interested. Because if you imagine at this level, not only has it broken H4 structure, it's also broken above the moving average 20. All right, so yeah, not interested if that happens. But euro yen, we're looking to sell from that level. And there's another yen pair. It's all about the yen today, yen strength. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. And, you know, a similar scenario, guys, all right? We just follow structure, downtrend, bang, uptrend, 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 didn't make higher highs, bang, downtrend. And bang, bang, bang are all the technical terms that they use in all the big economic books, yeah? And we broke these lows, and this candle here also. Yeah, this was the important one. So yesterday's candle broke free of all of those levels. Yeah. And we've got a bit more room to move, and it's a bearish candle, and we're below the moving average 20. Okay. And we've got more room to move into, guys. Yeah, we could take price back down to 88.50. If not, all the way back down to 8800, back down to these lows. Let's look at H4 for entry. And you just this level running through here. You can see price has reacted many times at this level. Okay, even in the past here. So all we're trying to do, guys, is, you know, get a retrace, therefore value. We get a bearish reaction in here. And when I say bearish reaction, guys, I mean like a bearish H4 and or H1 candle, perhaps combined with an M15 structure break. You know, these types of things are bearish indications. Okay, and then yeah, sell it back down to here or even here, guys. All right, so New Zealand yen, we're looking to short that as well. There is another trade today, guys. Believe it or not, I have another trade. But before I give you that, guys, if I could just ask everyone to subscribe to the channel right now, that'd be greatly appreciated. And everyone, please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid. And keeps the editor happy. And the editor is a crazy lunatic, so must keep him happy. And also, guys, yeah, don't forget our trading community. Join the free Discord. We've got the VIP Discord. We've got the mentorship program. And we've got the Simply Forex YouTube membership. All right, check it all out. It's all in the video description. Right, last trade idea. New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Yeah, so if we look at the day chart, guys, this is a, you know, we're in a range. We've also had a break of structure here. So if you look at the day chart, you know, we're pretty much ranging between here and here, aren't we? You know, it's just doing this. It's a, you know, arguably a very untidy chart. You know, lots, but look at all these top wicks. Yeah, it's really rejecting this level. And then yesterday, yeah, if we zoom in a little bit, you know, you know, this is arguably the last lows here. Yeah, in this sort of mini uptrend within the range. Okay, hasn't made higher highs, and then bang, we get this very bearish red candle. It doesn't get any more bearish than that. Look, there's just no bottom wick. There's no top wick. Just started here, and sellers just sold the living daylights out of this all day. And it broke these lows here. All right. So all we're going to try and do with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar is because of this break of this low and this bearish candle, and we're below the moving average 20, is just to come back down to the bottom of this range and this 8,300 level. Okay. If we drop down to the H4, the thing with this is, guys, we've already broken this important level. So if you look at this H4 level through here, yeah, we've already broken it. Yeah, and it was an important level. Look, bang, 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 you know, bang. Lots of banging. But it's broke. Yeah, these candles here broke this. So we've already had the H4 structure break. So you can trade anywhere in here, really, yeah, and hide above this grey zone. Okay, if we look at that on the H1, yeah, so H4 is in a downtrend, H1 is in a downtrend. Yes, still, you know. So all I'm going to do, guys, is I might just trade the first bearish candle I see. Could be here, could be here, could be back up at this level, which will give us really nice value. But I'm just going to trade first bearish candle that I see and hide above here with my stop and take price lower. All right, guys. So, yeah, those are the trade ideas for today. Let's take a look at the news now. So, news for Wednesday, the 3rd of January, guys. Japan is still on holiday. Does any work get done in this country? Only joking. So, the first piece of news we're interested in is this, guys. At 8:30 London GMT, we've got PMI data coming out of the Swiss franc. So, that's important, guys. I know it says 2-star ratings here, but it's important. All right. So, we must keep an eye on that if you're in any Swiss franc pairs. At 8:55 London GMT, we then have 2 bits of employment data coming out of the Germany, and again, important, yeah, 3-star ratings. So this could move any euro pair. And then after that, guys, at 3 o'clock, we have a lot of US data. So we've got manufacturing PMI and prices, and we've got JOLTS, job openings. So at 3 o'clock, guys, this could be really volatile for any US dollar pairs. So keep an eye out for that. And at 7 o'clock, guys, we've got the FOMC meeting minutes. Yeah, so whatever comes out of that, you know, can move the markets. All right. So, yeah, you know, reasonably busy news day, but must be aware of all of that. Guys, don't forget to join me for the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get all your questions ready for me. Your questions are my fuel. If you enjoyed the vid, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later for the live stream.